Hi everyone, so I thought I would make a quick video showing you how I make my mask that I am going to put on my website. The name of the website is called BossyApparelCompany.com. I'm selling masks there. It's $12 a mask. Each mask comes with a filter and an extra replacement filter, and you will have to pay shipping. For most places in the United States, it will cost about $4 to $5 for shipping. So I'm going to make my video and I'll be speeding it up just to save time, and I'll come back to you later. Okay, thank you for watching. So this wasn't really meant to be a tutorial and show you how to make the mask as much as it was just for you to watch me work, you know, something like a watch me work video. But if you would like to see a more detailed tutorial, just let me know in the comments and I'll make more videos. But that's kind of why I stopped making videos before, because I didn't get any feedback or not a lot of engagement, and I didn't really know if anybody was watching, if I should keep doing it. But I'm trying again and I'm making the mask now, so I said, hey, why not? Just record myself doing it and making another YouTube video and post it on Instagram and Facebook. And I just want to thank you for watching. And if you want to purchase a if you want to purchase a mask, you can visit my website at bossyapparelcompany.com. A little story behind the word bossy. When I was little, I had a lot of people tell me I was bossy, and I heard a woman give a speech one time, and she said, you know, little boys aren't called bossy. Only little girls do people try to squash that bossiness or that leadership ability. So when I decided to come up with the name for my website, I said that's perfect, Bossy Apparel. But someone already owned the domain bossyapparel.com, so I had to change my website name to Bossy Apparel Company. So right now I'm just selling masks. I think that's most important with COVID-19 going on. But if you want other things in the future, let me know. But the next two items I'll be adding will be bonnets, hair bonnets. They're going to be satin lined, and also I'm going to be making bibs, makeup bibs. They're going to be really large bibs you could put on, not just when you're doing your makeup, but also when you're doing your hair. You don't want to mess your clothes up. And you're doing your own hair and makeup at home, or maybe your clients if you're a makeup artist. So that's what that's going to be for. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.